Hello everyone and welcome to From Pizza to Dal Chawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious Odisha style chicken curry. This curry is perfectly spicy and tasty. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहते देन तळे थिया डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स लिंक को चेक करंतु. So first I have taken half kg of chicken and I have marinated it with half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon lemon juice and 1 teaspoon mustard oil. Marinate the chicken for 1 hour. And for spice paste I have taken 2 onions, 15 to 16 cloves of garlic, 1 inch ginger, 1 tomato, 2 dried red chillies and 2 green chillies. After that I have also taken 1 teaspoon cumin seed, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 green cardamoms and 2 cloves. Add everything to a blender jar. Blend and make a spice paste. Keep it aside. Now in a kadai heat 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. To that add 2 chopped potatoes. Shallow fry the potatoes till golden. Our potatoes are perfectly golden now. Take them out on a plate. Now in the same oil add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Let it melt and get browned. Now add 1 cinnamon stick and 2 green cardamoms. Then add 1 thin sliced onion. Saute the onions till they turn golden brown. Now add the prepared spice paste and saute till the raw smell is gone. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Oil has separated from the spices. Now add 1 chopped tomato and salt as per taste. Cook till the tomatoes are mushy. Cover and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Tomatoes are perfectly cooked now. Now let's add the dry spices. I have added half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chilli powder, half teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder and 2 teaspoons of chicken masala. Mix the spices well. Add 2 tablespoons of water and cook the spices. Cover and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. And our spices are perfectly cooked now. Add the marinated chicken. Mix the chicken well with the spices. Cook the chicken for 4 to 5 minutes. Our chicken has started to release water now. Cover and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Now add the shallow fried potato pieces and mix well. Add 2 glasses of water and give it a mix. Cover and cook for 10 minutes. Our chicken and the potatoes are perfectly cooked now. Add 1 teaspoon of garam masala and few chopped coriander leaves. Give it a final mix. And our delicious Odisha style chicken curry is ready now. Serve it hot. Our super tasty and spicy chicken curry is ready. This is perfect to go with rice or roti. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. So if you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.